Tastes like sand. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video, back to another unboxing. Who knows what the world this is? This came in the mail and I said, you know what? If it came to my house, only a select few companies have my home address. So, it might be something cool. This could be Microsoft, this could be Nintendo, this could be Activision. Who else got my select people be getting my address stuff? So anyway, how about we unbox it and just see who sent this, what it is, and we're gonna learn together. Before I do that, something kind of happened with my family and I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Kids, never do that. Okay, that was bad. Go the other way. But I'm sorry for the, I had to, I ain't done it before. Okay, ready? All right. Oh, should I lower this? Let's lower this a little bit. Get out my way. Phone, move. I open it and this is what I see. So, all right, let's try it again. Oh my God, so, okay, it is from Xbox. What did they send me? What is this? Player Unknown Battlegrounds, which I'm gonna be honest, that other game that shall not be mentioned because they were nice enough to send this has been taking my friend's time and my time, but I originally was playing this and then the other one took the time. Can this get me back? Can this box get me back? Oh, let's find out. Okay, so looks like I'm hoping I can do this. Okay. All right. Okay. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. Can we just, you know what? I know people are like, this should just be a 30-second video. Just open the box and show me so I can leave. First of all, content don't work that way, okay? You know, it's the build-up, it's the anticipation. People enjoy, you know, the details. And so I want to show people the box. I shouldn't have to explain myself after 200 videos. I'm just saying. So here's so it's definitely a nice little drop kit. I'm really interested to see what's in here. Do I have to use, okay, wait, okay. It is opening like this. Okay, hold on. You gotta be patient. It's, you know, it's like if you're in the bathroom on the toilet. I'm sorry, you know what I mean though. Sometimes it's just, oh God. But even if there are kids watching, kids like poop. That's why they make all those toys with poop in it. Not because of poop. It smells like, what is this? Okay, so, what is, I'm sorry, I'm like, what is going on? This looks a little bit more interesting. First of all, thank you for the backpack, because I love collecting backpacks. I use them all the time. So this is a Pubg Xbox One backpack. First of all, camo, dope. I love this. Look at all these little, oh my God, yeah. You can put your knives, and, your ink pens and staplers and stuff. Okay, there's nothing in right here. Okay, there's nothing in this pocket. Okay, I just want to make sure they didn't like throw an Xbox in here. Sorry. What did they send me? What is this? Oh my God! Can I put this on my car? It's a license plate, guys. Can I? Seriously, I want to drive. When I get arrested, if I drive around with it, I like that. So that's amazing. Okay, so let me read what this is. One of the hottest games on Xbox One is about to get hotter as Lamarr, the desert themed map. That's what this is talking about. So it's gonna drop in a test service this week and launch it to the Xbox preview version later in May. So I guess this is a new map. Desert theme. I'm actually really excited about that because, you know, in the other game that shall not be mentioned, we have, you know, it's just like the same thing over and over again. So like, it's nice to have something different. That's why they have this. No, wow, what else we got here? It's a map. Is this an exclusive? No, I'm sure other people have seen it. First of all, okay, bomb. Got the poster, and oh, here's the map of Lamarr. Take a look at that. Hold on, let me just make sure you can see. There you go. See what that looks like there? And you got some, I can't see anything. I'm hoping that you can see all of this. Okay. And if there was any secrets on there that I wasn't supposed to show you, you got them because I ain't editing out. All right, so that is all. Okay, and bandana. Of course, because you know you're gonna be in the desert. You don't want all that sand. Wait, this is not a bandana, is it? Hold on, is this an arm sleeve? Is this for my thigh? Because you know I got some big thigh. Oh, maybe it's for your neck. And you put it on your head. I ain't doing that because my hair looking kind of good right now. So I ain't trying to mess. But anyway. And then you have the water bottle. Pubg water bottle. This is probably a legit one. Tastes like sand. It wouldn't because you actually have a, I'm sorry. Okay, so that is it that's in here. What is that other thing? So these are cool. I swear they send some of the coolest stuff sometimes. Okay, well, what you is? Okay, did they send me grass? Did y'all send me weed? I'm just saying it's California, so I don't, because you know I don't like the smell of it. But I'm just like, just wondering what they sent me a bunch of. You gonna have the feds on me, man. Okay, what is this shouldn't be in my house. Wait, what? Is this a wig? Are y'all gonna, what? Is this one of those suits? What's it called, Ghillie? Is this? No, it can't be. Oh my God. It is. Oh my, I'm gonna have to mess up my hair for this. I'm sorry. All right. Oh my God. Guys, I don't know what this other stuff is. I can barely see right now. Oh my God, this is the whole suit. I don't know how to, you know, I probably can't even fit this. I know I can't fit this, but we're just gonna, here, so you get the idea. So I would have this top on, and then these will be the bottoms. Oh yeah, I know I can't fit these. Y'all did not sit my size, but that's okay. You know what? It's okay. So the pants. Okay. So you got that, and then you get the pants, and then the thing is for the hands, I'm thinking, or around your neck, and now you have camo. What, like, are they crazy? What is this? All right, guys. So that's just a quick video showcasing this this suit. Wow, that is actually awesome. So they're promoting the new maps that are coming out next month, and they'll be in a test server soon. Like this is the type of stuff that you can't really buy in the store, but it's just kind of cool to showcase, to let you know that, you know, it's a good promotion for the game, and that's what I do. I'm like what's that Mike Tyson's promoter? What's his name? Don Cheadle? No. It's not Don Cheadle. Oh my God.
Right here, ladies and gentlemen, give yourself a hand. Wonderful. Don, only in America.
And I guess I'm sorry to Don King. I was just trying to say that I'm a promoter like you, but things didn't go according to plan. So I don't know if you want War Machine to wear this, I guess. Oh, go watch the movie. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. At the time of this recording, I am about to go and see the movie again. So I hope you sit into it and enjoy it, and I will, you know, we'll talk. I'll see you this weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.